Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. As you can see, basically what it is a heating pad that you can use to keep yourself warm. So first thing first, let's actually open up the product to show you guys what's inside before we test it out. So when you guys first open the product itself, you can see that's what it looks like inside. Nicely wrapped and everything. So that's basically everything inside, as you can see. Alright, when we take out the product, there's a bunch of paper right here. So there's like the instruction card right here. There's also like a little feedback card right here. They have another quick starter guide to teach you guys how to use the product and what you guys shouldn't do on here, as you can see. So here is the product itself. Let's actually open up to see what the product looks like. So this side of the cable is where you actually plug it onto the actual blanket itself to heat it up. And on the other side is this cable right here, the plug there to plug it onto your outlet and everything to power it up. So here's the remote that you can use to actually change like the temperature and how to turn off and on. So there's an on and off switch, and here's the temperature mode that you guys can actually change to increase or lower it. So you guys can actually just put this onto yourself like this if you guys want to, or just put it on your back. So if you guys put this slide onto your back while you guys are sleeping or just laying down, it actually will heat up your back to help relieve any kind of pain, or just to help you guys warm up if you guys are really cold. And what's really cool about this product is the fact that this is actually machine washable, and you guys actually wash it if you guys want to, which is pretty awesome. So you guys don't have to worry about this part getting wet. As long as it's fully dry before you guys plug in the cable on here, then you guys are all fine. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Let me show you guys a quick test of the product to show you guys how it actually works. So you guys obviously want to plug in this part first, so let me do that first. Alright, so I have it plugged in. Now you guys want to just plug in here. And we should see the option to actually turn on, so we press this button. You guys can see that turn on, so it's at 0. So if you guys want to increase it, just increase it like that. And the maximum is 6. And the lowest is 1. So we'll just heat up to maybe around like 4 and see how long it takes to heat up. So I'm just going to put it on my leg to see how long it takes to heat up. So it hasn't been like 20 seconds yet. I'm starting to slowly feel it, like heating up a little bit. It's been roughly around 40 seconds now. And it's definitely starting to heat up a little bit more. It's not like super hot to the point where it's like really hot that it actually will burn you. It's like a warm kind of like feeling, that kind of like a warm hug in a way. And if you guys wanted to see what it looks like, this is basically what I'm doing. So I just put it on my leg like this to kind of like keep it warm and see what it feels like. But you guys can definitely use this for like on your back or anywhere else to just help relieve any kind of like pain or whatever. So let me actually turn it to 6 and see how hot is it. Alright, so we have it on 6 now, if you guys can see. Let's wait and see how hot it is. So now that I got to level 6, I definitely feel that it's actually getting a lot more hotter than where it was on 4. But it's still not like really hot to the point where it can actually burn you or hurt you or whatever. And like the material on here is actually really nice. It feels super soft. I believe the material that they use on here is like a soft micro plush material, which is really nice. And what's really cool about this product is the fact that it also has a auto shut off option. So if you guys don't use it for more than I think 2 hours, or if you guys use it for 2 hours, it actually would turn off by itself because it needs to cool down after 2 hours of usage. So if you guys don't use it for that full 2 hours, then you guys are fine and just turn it off and use it next time. But so far from using it for more than 2 minutes though, it definitely feels really nice. It's kind of like a really nice warm feeling to just have, especially if it's like during the winter time and you guys can just put this onto your legs or on yourself, like on your shoulder, like a little cape or something. So that way you guys can actually keep yourself warm in like the winter time, which is pretty awesome. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for me, honestly, I definitely have to say that this is actually pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are living somewhere where it's cold, or if you guys have a lot of like different pains throughout your body, whether it be like your shoulder pain, your back pain, or your legs pain. Anywhere that you guys are feeling any kind of pain, this is definitely really nice to give you guys that kind of like heat therapy, which is pretty awesome. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one, or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have